Every successful business starts with solving a real, painful problem, not by chasing the latest trends or copying what's popular. The foundation of any business is understanding what people genuinely struggle with and providing a solution they're willing to pay for. This approach grounds your business in reality and gives you a clear direction. In this video, we'll walk through each practical step to build a business from scratch, focusing on actionable advice and realistic expectation. Let's begin by exploring how to identify a skill that people already value and pay for. First step is to identify a skill that people are already paying for. This could be anything from sales, marketing, editing, coding, design, writing, consulting, or local services. If you don't currently have a skill that's in demand, focus on learning one with clear market value. Look for evidence that people are hearing for this skill or paying for it regularly. Avoid guessing or assuming. Research job boards, service marketplaces, and business listings to see what's actually being purchased. This ensures your efforts are grounded in real demand. If you don't already have a monetizable skill, the next step is to learn one. Choose a skill with clear ongoing demand, something people need and are willing to pay for. There are countless resources online, from tutorials to courses, that can help you build competence. Focus on practical application and real-world results, not just theory. As you learn, look for opportunities to practice your skill in real situations, even if it means volunteering or taking on small projects at first. This builds both confidence and credibility. Instead of trying to serve everyone, narrow your focus to a specific type of customer. Define exactly who you help and what problem you solve for them. The more specific you are, the easier it becomes to reach your audience and tailor your services. For example, rather than offering general marketing, you might help local restaurants attract more customers online. This clarity makes your offer more compelling and helps you stand out in a crowded market. Truly connect with your target customer, you need to understand their pain points in detail. What keeps them up at night? What challenges do they face daily? Spend time listening to their concerns, reading reviews, or even conducting informal interviews. The better you understand their struggles, the more effectively you can position your service as the solution. This empathy-driven approach builds trust and increases the likelihood of your business being chosen. Before investing time and money into building your business, validate your idea. Reach out directly to potential customers and offer a simple version of your service. The goal is to secure your first paying client before scaling up. This step is crucial. It proves there's real demand and helps you refine your offer based on actual feedback. Don't skip this. Validation saves you from building something nobody wants and gives you confidence to move forward. Start by offering a straightforward, easy-to-deliver service. Avoid overcomplicating things with fancy features or complex packages. Focus on delivering value quickly and efficiently. This approach allows you to generate cash flow with minimal upfront investment and helps you learn what customers truly care about. As you gain experience, you can refine and expand your offerings based on real-world feedback. Generating cash flow early is essential. Services are ideal for this because they require little capital and can be started quickly. By focusing on providing a valuable service, you start earning revenue and learning about your market right away. This income gives you the flexibility to reinvest in your business and avoid unnecessary debt or risk. Remember, cash flow is the lifeblood of any new venture. As you start making money, reinvest your early profits into tools, marketing, and systems that make your business more efficient. This might mean purchasing better software, investing in advertising, or automating repetitive tasks. The goal is to use your profits to build a stronger foundation, not just to increase your personal income. Smart reinvestment accelerates growth and positions your business for long-term success. Right tools can save you time and help you deliver better results. As your business grows, look for software or equipment that automates tasks, improves communication, or enhances your service quality. Don't overspend. Focus on tools that directly impact your efficiency or customer experience. Each investment should have a clear purpose and measurable benefit. Effective marketing is about reaching the right people with the right message. Use your early profits to test simple marketing channels. This could be online ads, content marketing, or direct outreach. Track your results and double down on what works. Avoid spreading yourself too thin. Focus on a few channels that deliver real leads or sales. Consistent, targeted marketing is key to sustainable growth. To avoid burning out, start building simple systems that allow your business to run smoothly without constant hands-on effort. Document your processes from client onboarding to service delivery. This makes it easier to delegate tasks or automate them in the future. Systems create consistency, improve quality, and free up your time for higher value activities. Take the time to write down how you do things, from handling inquiries to delivering your service. Clear documentation helps you spot inefficiencies and makes it easier to train others as your business grows. Even simple checklists or step-by-step guides can make a big difference. This habit sets the stage for building a business that doesn't rely solely on your daily effort. Focus on creating repeatable results for your customers. This means delivering consistent value every time, not just relying on one-off successes. Standardize your service delivery so clients know what to expect. Over time, this builds your reputation and makes it easier to scale your business. Consistency is more valuable than occasional brilliance. As your business becomes more stable, look for ways to shift from trading time for money to building assets. This could mean offering retainers, creating digital products, or assembling a small team. Assets generate income without requiring your constant attention. Start small, perhaps with a recurring service package or a simple online product, and expand as you learn what works best for your market. Retainers and recurring revenue models provide stability and predictability. Instead of chasing new clients every month, you can focus on delivering ongoing value to a smaller group of loyal customers. This approach smooths out your income and allows you to plan for the future with more confidence. Consider how you can package your services for ongoing relationships. Digital products such as online courses, templates, or guides allow you to serve more customers without increasing your workload. Once created, these products can be sold repeatedly, providing a source of passive income. Start by identifying common problems your clients face and create simple solutions they can use on their own. Digital products complement your service business and help you scale. As your workload increases, consider building a small team to help you deliver services or manage operations. Start by delegating simple, repeatable tasks. Hiring even one assistant or contractor can free up your time for higher-level work. A team allows your business to grow beyond your personal capacity and creates more opportunities for expansion. Throughout this process, it's important to stay grounded. Avoid making or believing in unrealistic income claims or overnight success stories. Building a business takes time, effort, and consistent improvement. Focus on steady progress and learning from each step. This mindset protects you from disappointment and helps you make better decisions. Most important ingredient in building a business is consistency. Show up every day, execute your plan, and make small improvements over time. Discipline is what separates those who succeed from those who give up too soon. There will be setbacks, but steady effort compounds into meaningful results. Stay focused on your process and trust in gradual progress. Building a business from scratch is a journey of steady, disciplined execution. There are no shortcuts, but by following these practical steps, you can create something valuable and sustainable. If you value practical, long-term business thinking like this, you may want to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and remember, real progress comes from consistent, focused effort over time.